This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a trend line to your scatter plot graph in Google Sheets. In the last video, I showed you how to create a scatter plot graph, and as a review, you just highlight your table, including the header, select Insert, select Chart, and in many instances, Google is going to automatically create that scatter plot graph for you. But if not, you come over here to the right in the chart editor and in Setup, select Scatter Chart from the list of charts that are available to you. If you want to add a trend line to this graph, which means it's going to draw a line based on the overall shapes of the circles, you click on Customize in the chart editor. Then you select Series, and then at the bottom of that menu, you select Trendline. There, it will add the trend line. You have some formatting options below that. You can change the type of trend line. You can change the color of that trend line. You can change the opacity of that trend line, making it darker, making it lighter. You can change the thickness of the line. And you can also add labels. So this video shows you how to add a trend line to your scatter plot graph in Google Sheets. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel to view more helpful videos in the future. Also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.